Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best bug net for windows and doors, the Mdavo magnetic mesh screen door. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to keep bugs out while letting fresh air flow through your home, this could be exactly what you need. The Mdavo magnetic mesh screen door measures 38 by 82 inches, designed to fit doors up to that size, excluding the door frame itself. It's made from a durable polyester mesh that's heavy-duty enough to withstand pets and kids passing through without tearing. The mesh lets a cool breeze in while keeping pesky insects like flies, bees, and mosquitoes outside, making it perfect for front doors, balcony doors, sliding doors, and even rooms like kitchens or bedrooms. Installation is surprisingly easy. You don't need any tools like screws or nails. The package includes a self-adhesive hook and loop tape that sticks securely to your door frame. Simply measure your door frame to make sure the fit is right, then attach the tape around the frame and hang the screen door on it. Because the screen is removable and foldable, you can take it down during colder months or when you want to clean it. Speaking of cleaning, it's washable, so maintenance is straightforward. One of the standout features is the magnetic closure system. The screen is split down the middle with 34 magnetic cubes sewn strategically along the seam. These magnets pull the mesh closed behind you seamlessly after you walk through. So even if your hands are full or you're coming in with pets, the door opens easily and snaps shut automatically without any extra effort. This hands-free operation is a huge convenience, especially for busy households. The screen's design balances function and style. It's made from fine mesh that doesn't have those unsightly vertical lines you often see in cheaper models, so it looks clean and blends well with your home's decor. The black color helps the mesh remain relatively invisible, allowing you to enjoy the view outside without obstruction. In terms of weight, the entire product is light, around 1.4 pounds, so it won't add any unnecessary bulk to your door. The overall product dimensions are compact enough for easy storage when not in use. Mdavo also includes clear instructions to guide you through the installation process. Once installed, the screen stays in place for the entire summer season, effectively keeping bugs at bay while letting fresh air circulate freely. If you're considering a magnetic screen door that's pet and kid-friendly, easy to install, durable, and effective at keeping insects out, this Mdavo mesh screen door is definitely worth checking out. It provides a great balance of convenience, quality, and function. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and in-depth critiques. See you next time.